your running pliers can only do certain widths of glass, but these are the Leponettes. And we'll just run those right out again, just like that. Now that's about the narrowest that you can run with not just Leponette running pliers, but with any running plier. So now let's go back over here and let's work on the silver schnitz just a little bit. And remember, the silver schnitz, once we start our run, we can turn the head on the top to break the glass sideways. Okay, so if I go in right here, I'm going to turn this head, the top head, sideways, center it up, squeeze, and push down. Now, there's only one set of running pliers that I know of that you can run glass sideways, and that's the silver schnitz, everybody. Silver schnitz really help you as far as trying to take out what used to be rainbow cuts. These turn rainbow cuts into simple cuts. Okay, better, and the best, okay? So now we're talking grousing pliers. Your grousing pliers, of course, are one of the most special tools that are in your tool arsenal. So this is the inland pliers, and they're okay, but I don't really particularly like them because the jaws are kind of funky, and there's a spring that goes inside of them, and if you open the jaw too far, that spring will shoot across the room, and then pretty much it's done. Now the pair of grousing pliers that I like, and Barb and I both use here in the glass studio, are the Leponette mini grousers. We really like these pliers. They have a great, watch this. They have a great pair of spring that works inside of them, and they work wonderfully. And tell you what, the other thing is they have a really nice corrugated jaw that doesn't wear out after using it a little while. So, your grousing pliers are designed to grouse out those little pieces, eliminate those flares so they don't cut you on all of that glass. And then remember, you want to be able to use that, and these little jaws here that are corrugated, they're going to be able to make those grousing pliers one of your favorite tools in your toolbox. So we're just going to do a simple demonstration about how to use your grousing pliers. So here we go. We're going to take a cutout, and remember, your grousing pliers have a straight jaw on top, and they also have a curved jaw. Well, during this particular demonstration, we're going to be using our straight jaws at the top. We're going to put our knuckle underneath, pull down and away. So when we, remember, pull down and away. And I want you to see that. I want you to see this. You see how loose that piece of glass is in the jaw of my grousing pliers? Here's the thing. A lot of you have a problem with your grousing pliers because you're squeezing the plier when you break the glass. Your grousing pliers are designed to hold the glass for you and to help you break it. But if you squeeze these jaws way too hard, you're going to end up breaking the glass as opposed to running the glass from the score that you just previously cut. So keep that in mind.